Most of the world is underwater after that huge earthquake. I was on a boat at the time. Luckily enough, I saved that young lady as she was clinging to a piece of driftwood. We're the only survivors as far as I'm aware. Oh Lord. Okay. Mm, Nice. Where, where am I? Who are you? Oh, what is this power I feel within you? Is it light? You must be the warriors who were gifted with the powers of the crystal. Oh, thank goodness you are here. I am Arya, priestess of the water temple. What happened? The earth's power caused that great tremor and buried the water crystal deep underground. Without the power, without the water crystal to connect them, to protect them, the people were turned to stone and set plummeting into the ocean depths. Please take me to the temple of water. A shard of the water crystal remains there. If I can return it to the crystal, that might break the curse. But you're injured. I will be fine. What matters is the fate of the world. Please, I need to get to the temple of water. No. Okay. Thank you.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know